Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to count the occurrences of a number or text in a range in Excel. To demonstrate this, I'm using a simple example, a list of Baseball Hall of Fame members. What I want to do is count the occurrences of each team. In column D, I have the team names listed. To perform this, we'll use the counter function in Excel. Let's go over how to set this up. First, select a cell where you want the result to appear. In this case, I'm using column I. Start by typing the formula. Begin with the equal sign followed by COUNTIF. So it will look like this, equal sign COUNTIF. Excel will recognize that you are using a formula. The first argument we need is the range, the area of the spreadsheet we want to check. So I'll select all the entries in column D, which contains the team names. To do that, click the top of the column and drag down to the bottom. Once the range is selected, enter a comma and then specify the criteria. In this case, the criteria will be the specific team name in column D that we are counting for. Type in the cell reference, which will be something like D3. Finish by closing the parenthesis, then press Enter. You should now see the count for the specific state. For example, it might show that there are 5 occurrences from New York Giants. Now, before copying the formula to the other cells, we need to lock the range so that Excel doesn't change it when we copy the formula down. You can do this by adding $signs before the row numbers in the range. For example, change the range D1 to D$1 and D$41. After doing that, you can drag the formula down to the other cells, and Excel will correctly count the occurrences for each team without shifting the range. And that's how you count occurrences of a number or text in a range in Excel. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.